Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explain default events in Google Tag Manager. Also, at the end of this video I will show you the most common mistakes that marketers do in Tag Manager as well, so let's go. What's up, Javier here, and welcome to Everlearn Tutorials, the best way to become a digital expert. One of the most common questions that I receive is about events in Google Tag Manager, how they work, what they are, and how important it is to understand them. Let me answer the last question right away. It's very, very important to understand events. It is a core functionality, and every trigger in Tag Manager is an event. They are so important that the only time that Tag Manager can read or send data to a platform is when it receives an event. If no event are triggered, Google Tag Manager will not work at all. That's how important they are. To understand how they work, we need to divide it between two types, the default and custom events. In this video, we're going to explore the default events, and we are going to use the debug mode for seeing these events being sent. There are three default events in Google Tag Manager. One is the gtm.js that is triggered when a page is viewed. Every time we request a new page and that page starts loading on our browser, this event is triggered as soon as possible. So as you see, when we say that we want to trigger Google Analytics tag on every page, we are saying that when the event gtm.js arrives on each page, we're going to trigger analytics. It's very important to understand that this event will not wait for the DOM or the page to load. It will travel towards Tag Manager as soon as possible. Only when this event arrives, Tag Manager can read the information that is being sent, like the URL of the page, and also can trigger the Google Analytics tag. The second event is gtm.dom. This event is triggered automatically when the DOM of the page is ready. So when the structure HTML is complete, the DOM event will be triggered. You can see this event in the debug mode as well. And finally, the gtm.load event. This event is triggered when the page is fully loaded in the browser. There is nothing left to load. Now that we know when they are triggered, how do I use them? Well, if we create a new trigger, notice that Tag Manager will ask me, so you want this trigger to be PageView, DOM ready, or window loaded? The correct answer is choose the fastest event that will ensure the correct functionality of the trigger. In the case of Google Analytics, we just need the URL for making the tag work, so a page view is perfect because it has that information and also is very fast. We don't want to miss any page view of the page. The most common mistake that I see is that sometimes a marketer wants to send information about the site to Google Analytics, for example, but the information, it will be available only in the DOM of the page, like this name. So my tag needs to wait until the DOM is ready and use the DOM event, not the page view event, because if we do not wait until the DOM is ready, we're going to send empty data. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. See you in the next video of Everlearn Tutorials. Bye.